you shouting at your screen right now. Julia has just reliably informed me that we are now coming into the town of McLean, which just goes to prove that my Scottish isn't any better than my Irish or my English or my Spanish, French, Polish, German, Russian or whatever, because as you all know, I am only fluent in one language, double Dutch. Good job we're not posh birds, isn't it? Oh,
Speak for yourself.
I knew that was coming. No, I can't find the VR, but I bet you're not surprised about that, are you? But I do feel like Karina's back today. I feel like we've had some more fun. I'm back with it. Back on the game. Back on my game, not the game, by the way. Just in case you misheard that. Or in case I missaid it, who knows? I know, I knew I could come to the Sunshine Close. Sunshine Coast, even. And it's raining. Just rid of the steps, I probably can't remember them, but right, so I'll put this in.
Hang on, is it going?
Is it? Is it all red at the top? Is it counting numbers? Yeah. We're good at recording feet, aren't we? Right. So I've got into the 5th Lighthouse. Oh no, Light Horse Regiment Military Museum. So different from today. I mean, people can just go onto my book, or no, go onto Amazon and just order my book, and Amazon just print it and then distribute it. I said I'd treat everyone because they've treated us to dinner. But I just had to borrow $20 off Julia because I got no cash on me. Well, that's our shower for the day.
Yeah, nice and soggy.
About 10 minutes ago there was this junction and Julia went, oh, that got rid of a lot of traffic because it all went off that way. And we've realised that we should have been with them because we're now heading into the city of Brisbane, so you might see some Brisbane sights soon. Julia's not excited about it like I am though. I don't feel we're going around in circles.
Going around the bends, circles.
I think rather than positive recovery of Karina, I should just call it Karina's magical mystery tour. I can't even say it.
And bring an umbrella.
And bring an umbrella, yeah. And Julia's gone for a chicken, vegan and dairy free. Look, have I got it the right way up? No, I haven't. There you go. There were 2 koala bears sitting up here. I've just cuddled one. I've just wrecked the display. Wasn't me, Gus. See all those people paying lots of money to go and get a photo of a koala. All they needed to do was come in here.
Hello. G'day from Australia.
And what is he or she or? Okay, because Julia's been wasting time fanny-arsing around with silly animals and things, we've decided...
Call yourself an animal.
I'm not quite sure how the car and dog wash works, but it's pretty quirky. Perhaps you just strap the dog to the top of your car. I don't know.
You look a bit of a galah there.
I am, whatever one of them is. Actually, Julia, it's a sulphur-crested parrot. So who's the glar now?
Me.
Well, hello and welcome back to our magical mystery store. Julia, that smell. It's definitely not the fruit bats this time.
Not fruit bats this time.
You know what? I used to want dreadlocks and everyone talked me out of having dreadlocks. I was just trying some rings on there because I lost one of my rings and there was 3 big rings I was trying on and luckily none of them fitted because as I was trying them on I was thinking, do any of these signify anything that I shouldn't be wearing and promoting? They have a very polite way of telling you it's a dead-end road, look. They put a big cow in the way to start with. Hello! And then they tell you there's a turning bay ahead. There's no through road, but there is a turning bay ahead, so we don't have to do a 3-point or 20-point turn around by the car, which is pretty cool. I do have to negotiate some more cows though. And you know me and cows. I can turn around here. It's amazing, you know, that cow there does not bother me. In this car, I'm thinking, how lovely. But when you're sitting on a Can-Am Riker and there's a herd of 30 of them walking towards you, it's pretty scary. I'm making you a friendship blanket. I'm making you a friendship bracelet even, Julia.
Oh,
Do you like your tangled mess?
it's lovely.
It took me 5 minutes to achieve that.
Imagine what you could achieve in 6 hours on flight. You'd be tied to the chair.